Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, this is meeting or this is occasion I have a presentation about my course in college is Economic and ICT Learning Media. Okay, before enter the material, I want tell you my identity. My name is Reski Mayala Putri. I majored in Economic Education in Padang Step University. Okay, this is topic about third meeting as college Economic and ICT Learning Media. Okay, the first topic is the importance of choosing learning media, and two topic is criteria for selecting instructional media, and the third is the principle of media selection, and the fourth is procedure for media selection. Okay, this is occasion we have four topic for presentation. Okay, the first, the importance of choosing learning media. Why learning media for choosing is important? Media selection. I have one expert about important choosing learning media is Raharjo. Raharjo quote in the means the media selection is carried out when educator will make teaching aids to facilitate students in teaching and learning activities. The more technology science develop, the more and more media out there. Therefore, the selection of media must be in accordance with predetermined principles such as having goals that are according with the nature and characteristic of the media to be used. Furthermore, according to Winkle, media selection is something that must be consistent with the objective. The selection of media, it can be concluded that the selection of media is carried out before teaching and learning activities begin and must consist with the objective that have been designed from beginning to end. Okay, the two topic is criteria of selecting instructional media. For criteria, we have to divide. The first is criteria in general, and the second is criteria in special. Okay, for the first criteria in general, we have 6 criteria in general. The first is conformity with the objective instructional media. Instructional goals. It is necessary to study what a learning objective to be achieved in a specific instructional activity can be directed to Bloom taxonomy of goals, whether the goals are cognitive, affective, and spatial-motor, as well as in the competence-based curriculum, media selection criteria based on complement with competence standard. Okay, the two criteria in general is compatibility with learning material or instructional content. Okay, for this criteria, what material or study will be taught in the learning program must be in accordance with the material being taught. Okay, the third criteria in general is conformity with the characteristic of the learner or student. In this case, of media must be familiar with the characteristic of student. In this case, it is necessary to pay attention to avoid negative student response, as well understanding gaps between the understanding that student have as a result of the okay, for full is conformity with theory. The selection of media must be based on conformity with theory. The media chosen is not because of the teacher fanatism toward in the media that's considered the most preferred. Okay, the 5 criteria in general is suitability with student learning styles. The criteria are based on the psychological condition of student. Okay, the sixth criteria is compatibility with environmental condition, facilities, support, and available time. Okay, the next is special criteria in you can action ICTIOS access, cost, technology, interactivity, and good organization. Okay, for access, ease of access is the first consideration in choosing media. Is the media we need available, easy, and can be used by students? Okay, the two is cost. Cost must also be considered. Many types of media that can be our choice. In general, media usually tend to be expensive. The third is technology. We may be attracted to one particular medium, but we need to pay attention to whether the technology is available and easy to use. Let's say we want to use audiovisual media in class. Okay, the fourth is interactivity. A good medium is one that can lead to two-way communication or interactivity. Every learning activity that you develop, of course, requires media that is coordinated with the learning objective. And the last special criteria is organization. Another important consideration is organizational support. For example, are school leader or foundation supportive? How it's organized? Is there are unit in the school called a learning resource center. Okay, the third topic is the principle of media selection. The first is motivation. There must be a need, interest, or desire to learn from Bibera before saving its attention to the assignment and exercise. After all, the experience that the learning will experience must be relevant and meaningful to him. The two principle is individual difference. Learner learn in the different way and its different rates. Factors such as intelligent ability, level education, personality, learning style, and other. And the third is learning purpose. If learners are told what they are expected to learn through the learning media, the opportunity to success in learning is getting bigger. In addition, a statement about the learning objective to be assigned can help the designer and subject matter writer. The fourth is content organization. And the fifth is preparation before learning. Okay, this is criteria. The learning should have good mastery of the basic lesson or have sufficient necessary experience which might be prerequisite by for successful use of media. And the sixth is emotion. Learning that involves emotion and personal feeling and skill is very influential and enduring. And the seventh criteria is participation. In order for learning to take place well, students must internalize the information, not just be told it. And the eighth criteria is feedback. And the ninth criteria is reinforcement. If the learning session in learning he is encouraged to success drive learning highly beneficial can build self-confidence and positively influence future behavior. And the 10th is practice and repetition. Something Nicole learning effectively in one go. And the last criteria is application. The desired learning outcome is to increase a person's ability to apply or transfer learning outcomes to new problem or situation. Okay, the the first topic is procedure for media selection. Sorry, this my son, my chicken is very disturbed. You still focus to me. In general, it can be broken down as follow procedure for media selection. The first procedure is identify student need and characteristic. The selection of learning media should be based on what is needed and how the student are. And the two procedure is formulation of instructional objective. The formulation of goal is very important because the goals will be the direction for students to carry out the expected behavior with that school. For example, by using pictures, students are expected to have the knowledge to correctly distinguish carnivore, herbivore, and omnivore. And the third procedure is detailed formulation of material item. The material need to be prepared by taking into account certain criteria including valid or valid, level of importance or significance, and usefulness, learnability, and interesting. In the fourth procedure is developing success measuring tools. Learning outcome measurement tools are needed in the form of test, assignment, or behavior checklist. And the fifth is writing media script. And the sixth is formulating the assessment instrument. And the last procedure is revision. Okay, I think just it my presentation. Sorry for my mistake. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.